So this is my first time using the rubber band method, and it definitely came out neater and cleaner than usual. You're going to need a rat tail comb, and I also use this Creme of Nature edge control because it's very thick and it helps keep the flyaways down. And of course you'll need rubber bands. I divide my hair into 2 side sections and a back section, and I parted 1 row in each section at a time. The straighter your parts are, the neater the style will look, so make sure you're really taking your time to part. I did my hair over the course of 2 days, so altogether I think it took about, I don't know, like 7 hours. After you part 1 square, you're going to take the edge control, rub it on your roots to gather the hair, and then add the rubber band. Next, I'm taking a piece of braiding hair, and you want to make sure that the amount of hair you take matches the size of your part, if that makes sense. My parts are about 3/4 of an inch thick, so I'm taking maybe like an inch thick of hair. Then I'm pulling the hair to make it uneven because this will make sure that your braid doesn't unravel at the end. I'm holding the hair with my pinky and ring finger, and the other 3 fingers are going to wrap under the hair, going towards you. Then you're going to make like a scissor and put your real hair between your pointer and middle finger. After that, you just continue your normal braid. I'm doing the braid tightly so it looks neat and so that there are no little flyaways sticking out. I'll show you one more time. Hold the hair with your bottom 2 fingers and wrap the other 3 underneath. Make a scissors with your pointer and middle finger and put your real hair in between that. So this is just my technique of putting the hair in, but you can use whatever works for you. It's now day 2 and I'm down to my last 2 pieces finally. Now that I'm done, I'm just pulling the strands to make sure that all the braids are even lengths. To seal the ends, you can also burn them, but I'm going to use the boiling water method. I put my hair in 2 ponytails so the braids aren't flying everywhere. And I'm dipping each ponytail in the water for about 20 seconds. I'm then squeezing it dry with a towel. Make sure that the hot water is not splashing on you. We're almost done here. I just take some mousse and smooth it on my hair so that any flyaways are laying flat. And last but not least, I'm of course laying my edges to complete the look. I have no time limit on how long I'll leave these in because at the end of the day, I only paid about $30 to buy the pack hair. So I can always take them out and do my hair again.